Okay, fight.
You in it already? Yes, girl.
That's a boy, okay? Stop calling him a girl.
Look at that. Come
Because he have a big face doesn't mean nothing.
Good boy. Be the man. Be the man. You taking a video now?
Yes, I've been
Show
something.
her. Show her. She's crazy. Look at over here.
There you go, hiding right by the truck.
Don't be scared.
Hey,
This is
Sugar Bear.
Come on, Sugar.
I'll
Give
go
me
see ya.
some
Come.
sugar. Sugar
Hiding.
Bear. Give mommy some sugar. Come on, big
This one
papa.
hiding. He
Can you
think
give
we
us some
don't see
sugar?
her.
Show us what you got. Show us what you got. Hey, show us what you got.
Do it to Piper. She just hiding. Cupcake, why you hiding?
Turn around. Hey, now, come get it, girl. Come. Turn around.
That's my red.
Behind you. All around. Hey. Come on. Get it. It's right there. Oh, no. Behind you. Hey, behind you. Over here. No,
Get Piper, do Piper.
Where's Piper?
She right behind you.
Piper. Give me some pepper. Piper. Give me some Piper. Oh, Piper did not like.
Yes, she is. You just gotta be careful.
Behind you.
You see, now she like it.
Come get it, guys. Come on.
Do it to her again.
Hi.
She's the skinniest one.
Come on, Piper.
She is gonna
Give
get
us
it.
some pepper. Oh, you can make it. Come on. What about you, Cupcake? Did you want to give us some cupcake here? Huh? Oh, the Sugar Bear. She giving us some sugar right now. Ooh. The sugar tastes so good.
Damn, Big Papa.
Jump. Hey. Pop it. Yeah. Hey. Pop it.
That's
pop.
Piper.
Pop it, pop. Yeah. Hey. Pop it. Yeah. Yes. Sugar. Yay.
One by one.
Come on, you gotta jump, girl. Yes. Come on, yes. That's how you do it.
Look at Cupcake all the way down there. What you doing?
Damn, that cat could jump higher than I thought. Look at that. That's a smart cat right
They
there.
just took a shower.
Yes. That's what I'm talking about. You took a video?
Yes, I've been. There's a lot.
Come on. Yeah.
They shaking the table. I mean,
Ooh.
not the table.
You gotta shake it to make them interesting in that. See? It's okay. Come on.
He ran.
Now it's you now. It's all on you.
Little Sugar Bear.
Come on, Sugar. Give us some sugar. Sugar Bear, give us some sugar. You know what I'm saying? It's over here now. Don't you want to get it?
All right. When we gonna be done?
Wait. Sugar. Yeah. Give us some sugar. Yep. Nope. Go higher. Yeah. Why don't you come around here and show us what you got? Yes, girl. Oh. Y'all two look so, oh man, talented.
They cleaning themselves because they just took a shower.
Can you feel that fresh air, Sugar Bear? Now, give us some sugar.
Oh, they fighting. Good.
Y'all be good, strong, beautiful.
We got Piper.
Yes.
She's just doing that for nothing.
Ooh, I didn't see that coming. Ooh.
What that fat thing All right, it's over.
Look at that, look at that. One more. Guys, come on, come on.
Bye,
Come
Felicia.
on, come on, wait. Come on. Woo. Yes, girl. Yay. Yay.
I'm done for now.
I must get it. I must get it. I must get it, bruh. Try one more.
This fat thing.
Yes. If you get it, you will eat it. If you get it, you will eat it. If you get it, you will eat it. Woo!